with us today. This is Tilak. It is a symbol of welcome in the Indian tradition. Applying it on forehead brings good luck and positive energy. These are fennel seeds and chocolates. Offering it is believed to bring good luck and sweetness in our life. Savoring it is believed of good luck.
So I should take a little bit of each, right? Thank you very much.
Is the beginning of creation. You imagine what you desire. You will what you imagine. Honorable Chief Guest of the Day, Madam Esther Ledger Gomia School Society, dignitaries, respected principals, sir, coordinators, teachers, and my dear friends. I, Riddhi Jaiswal of Standard 9D, and I, Rani of Standard 9A, warmly welcome you all to the PMS Innovators Expo 2025. This fair is a celebration of our students' talent, providing a platform for them to showcase their creativity, innovative thinking, and scientific acumen. We blessed today to exhibit this momentous occasion on the auspicious day of Mahashivratri. May Lord Shiva shower his blessings. Meaning, even though the ocean of knowledge is vast, the essence of knowledge lies in applying it in practice.
With these profound lines, let us embark on a spiritual journey, guided by the timeless wisdom of the ancient text, the Bhagavad Gita.
This revered scripture has illuminated the paths to enlightenment for millions of seekers around the world. For centuries, its sacred verses have whispered secrets of the universe, nurturing hearts and guiding souls. Through its teachings, we discover the harmony of body, mind, and spirit, and the wisdom to navigate life's complexities.
As we delve into the Gita's wisdom, may we find solace in its word, courage in its teaching, and inspiration to become the best version of ourselves. For this, let me invite the tiny blossom of our school to take us on this enlightening path. Children, please.
Good morning, everyone. This means Lord Krishna said, you have a right to perform your duties, but you not eat a little fruit for your actions. decline in restlessness and an increase in unrestlessness. O Arjuna, at that time I manifest myself on earth. अथ चतुर्थ अध्यायः श्रीभगवानुवाच परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्मसंस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे. Good morning to everyone. This means Lord Krishna said, for the protection of the good, for the destruction of the wicked, and for the establishment of righteousness, I am born in every age. Thank you.
friends, for such a melodious performance.
It is now my pleasure to invite our Honorable Principal Sir on the mic to welcome our esteemed guests on this special occasion.
So please.
Honored Chief Guest Estelle Lezer Delcourt, Vice President, Discrete Manufacturing Orica, esteemed guests, Mr. Abhishek Biswas, MCM IEPL Gomia, Mr. Arindam Das Gupta, Vice Chairman Gomia School Society, all the members of Board of Governors, respected teachers, proud parents, and dear students. Good morning to you all. As we know, each and every school is dedicated towards the holistic development of the child. So, PMS is also very much dedicated towards the holistic development of the child. And holistic development includes curricular activities and co-curricular activities. And curricular activities are going on. We have finished the syllabus. Now we are at the verge of annual examination. And under co-curricular activity, today we are organizing this PMS Innovators Expo. And on this occasion, first of all, I'd like to extend a warm welcome to our esteemed chief guest, Madam Estelle Lazer Delcourt, for sharing her valuable time with us today. Madam, your presence on this day really adds a significant value to us, and this day will become a memorable day for us. We welcome you. I would like to welcome Mr. Abhishek Biswas, and he is always available with us. His motivation always helps us for our development. I would like to welcome Mr. Arindam Das Gupta, Vice Chairman, sir. His guidance is always supporting us for the development of the school, for the smooth functioning of the school. I welcome all the members of Board of Governors whose constant support is always helping us to run this school. I would like to commend all the students who have worked diligently day and night on their projects. We celebrate their efforts and the hard work they have done for this PMS Innovators Expo. At the same time, I appreciate all the parents for their kind cooperation and support to their children in this educational journey. I appreciate all the teaching staff members who have guided and mentored these students throughout this process. See, this day is not just an event. It is a day, it is a celebration of inquiry, planning, execution, innovations, and presentation of knowledge. It gives a platform to all of our students to explore their ideas, to show their knowledge, their creativity, and it does not only develop them but enhance their critical thinking skills, problem solving skills. So such type of event is very important for all schools. And today we are not just organizing this event, we are celebrating the innovations of our students. They have worked very hard. Our teachers work very hard. Now the result is here. So I would like to request all of you to please visit our expo, share your feedback and motivate our children. So once again, I welcome you all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your warm words. You have always motivated and encouraged us to strive for excellence in all our endeavors. And now, it's time to be enchanted by the dynamic splendor of our Nagpuri dance performance. The little flowers of Standard 1, with their innocent charm and unbridled enthusiasm, will transport you on a captivating journey through the diverse cultural tapestry of our nation.
With their tiny feet tapping to the rhythmic beats and their bright smiles lighting up the stage, these tiny tots will showcase their impressive dance skills and mesmerizing rhythmic cadence. Their innocence and joy are sure to steal your heart. Children, please.
away with the infectious energy and vibrant spirit of this traditional dance form, presented with the delightful dash of childhood magic.
Moving ahead, it is truly an honor for us to extend a warm invitation to our esteemed chief guest, Madam Estelle Leger-Delcourt, to address us with her valuable insights and experiences. Ma'am, please.
First of all, thank you very much for inviting me to this event. I'm really thankful, and from the bottom of my heart, thank you very much for having me with you today. I can't imagine all the work that you have done, the teachers and the children and the families to prepare this event. So I feel really lucky and honored to be part of this today. And just maybe to resonate to what your principal said earlier about curricular activities and non-curricular activities, I think it's really the key of education. Education for me is not only about learning academic subjects like mathematics, economy, literature, or whatever, but it's really to teach our children how to use this knowledge to be creative, to be a better version of themselves, and to add value to this society. And I think that it's really what you are trying to do in this school. When I see really the creativity of your children, and I'm really looking forward to discover the PMS Innovators Expo, to see how your children are really using all this knowledge to contribute to the society. So thank you very much again for having me with you today, and definitely PMS is part of the Orica community, and we want to continue to work together to bring the best to your children and to the society. Thank you very much.